Okay, I got one of these because I got oil here and they need to put something in it, and the previous device I had went a bit rogue. So this is what I used to have. This thing goes in there. I'll get it in focus. But this cable broke, and it's some sort of, hello Leo, it's some sort of 19 pin header. I actually had another one, but when I put it on the motherboard it pulled it out and it went crazy, so hopefully that's all working. So let's unbox this and see what's in it. Okay, what is it? Uh-oh. One of them. Oh. So that looks like some screws, that's handy. And then the actual device, which I think should be as simple as basically a 19 pin USB and some of the 9 pin USB 2s. As I do this, Leo, the cat from somewhere else, is back. He wants in, but it's not his house. Yeah, so what is this? Oh, it's upside down. That's what it is. So there's a couple of USB 1, 2, 3, 4. So those look like USB 3s, they look like USB 2s, and then there's these things which may or may not work. What's the electronics look like? Because the last one I got was just terrible. Not too bad. And it's got one of these things where a single 19 pin goes into 2. So what I'll do is I'll start to plug that in. Oh, where does this cable go? There. Yeah, they do that trick where they put two either side of each other, and that doesn't look like it's got a hole. Let me pause. It has. If I put it in the light there, you can see that it's got the blank panel, which is good, although, to be honest, I didn't think it was that one that was blank, but we'll find out. And then this one has got the little orientation there, the lug, but when I used the cheaper version, what happened was that pulled out the shroud from the motherboard. It's a B50 550 Prime. Now that looks like it's something that can take power. I don't know if I need to power it. I hope not, because I really don't want to. Let's go and plug it in and see what happens next. Okay, it's gone in. It's quite flush. My only criticism, the screws are not magnetic. It's gone in down here. I had to take the card out because that was in the way. I'm going to boot it up and see if it works. Okay, let's plug one of these into here. And there we are, it's come up. So that's good. It's a bit annoying. I'm going to pull it out. Let's try that one. Yep, that's working. Let's try that one. Oh, that feels a bit weird. But nevertheless it worked. USB 2 I guess that should be. That says USB 3 but 30 gig per second. Oh no, 30 gigabyte size. I don't know, maybe that is USB 2, who knows. And let's try it on that one. And there. Yeah, so that's working nicely. Okay, it looks successful. Better quality unit than the other one I got.